There are moments when our lives is reconstituted. The moments when our lives have felt depleted, lost, and there is no more marks of good memory. Our memories are clogged by just some painful moments. I think in the resurrection stories, that's one of the realities that happens there. Most of the disciples, most of the resurrection stories speak of people pulled apart by the grief, by their pain, by the loss of Jesus, whom they loved and had loved them deeply. They are trying to trace back, but there are no traces, no visible marks in memory of the power of God. There are those moments in life. Then somebody walks into those moments and begins to reconstitute your life, almost like a loving presence. Listen to how this sounds like in the story of Thomas and Jesus. Thomas is one of my favorites. He doesn't hide his disillusionment. He doesn't hide his doubt, his fears, and his anxieties. He doesn't want to make Jesus feel like, oh no, just I'm happy that I see you now. He still feels the depth of his loss, and he doesn't believe this is Jesus, the one who loves him. In the thickness of his doubts and his lack of faith in that moment, he holds his faith in the possibility. And then Jesus sees all of that and says, Thomas, my brother, Thomas, put your finger here. See my hands. Reach out your hand and put it to my side. You see, friends, the resurrection stories don't say our wounds are taken away. The resurrected body of Jesus comes back. There are holes in his hands, there are wounds in his hands and on his side. But the wounds are not the last word. The pain is not the last word. Even the resurrected body can bear semblances of the story that happened to us before. Resurrection is not a movement into a new reality where the past no longer exists, but it is how God takes that which was pain and makes it no longer to speak in the same way. And then those same wounds become now the new reservoirs of hope, a new entry into life. The meaning is changed. While the past is not erased, but the meaning is changed and a new future is given. May God bless you with a new meaning in your life story and give you faith even beyond your doubts. Amen.